Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, I am going to explain about Hugo. So, what is Hugo? Hugo is a static site generator, or simply we can call it as SSG, which is written in Go language, or in short, we can say Golang. Let's see how it works. So, for write content, we usually use Markdown files or .md files for creating Hugo websites. For design the templates, we use HTML with placeholders like .title in Hugo. For generator builds, we run once at build time to create static HTML pages. And for the output, we get a folder which is called public folder in Hugo with only index.html and then other files. And that folder can be uploaded anywhere like Netlify, GitHub Pages, Vercel, and so on. So why Hugo is static? Because after generation, the site doesn't need a server-side language like PHP, Node.js, Python, or any other server-side languages. Doesn't need a database like MySQL or MongoDB. It's just static files. Browsers request them and they are served instantly. Let's look on the key points about Hugo. Hugo websites are very fast, one of the fastest static site generators. It can build thousands of pages in seconds. Then it's also Markdown based. Content is usually written in Markdown, which keep writing simple. Themes and templates has a powerful templating system and many community themes. Static output generates static files that can be hosted on GitHub pages, Netlify, or any other web server. Content organizations uses a simple folder structure like content, layouts, static, and so on. Good for blogs, documentation, landing page, portfolios, company websites. So with Hugo, we can build blogs, documentation, landing pages, or portfolio types websites. Let's take a look on Hugo's official website. So we need to search Hugo on our browser. So we can search Hugo and hit enter. So here we can see Hugo is a static site generator written in Go language. Steve Francia originally created Hugo as an open source project in 2013. So let's click on this link. And then here we can see the world's fastest framework for building websites. Hugo is one of the most popular open source static site generators. With its amazing speed and flexibility, Hugo makes building websites fun again. So there are many more about Hugo websites, and if you want to learn more about Hugo, then you can click on the docs and you can check out the terms. So that's all for today. In the next video, I will explain how to install Hugo on Windows. I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. Thank you everyone.